Welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to install HANA Studio on your personal laptop. HANA Studio version is 2SP8. This is the media for HANA Studio installation downloaded from the service marketplace. Go to data units and here HDB Studio Windows x86-64. Double click on the HDB inst. This is the command line interface. Here you can see HDB H2SP7 and this is the installation path. Hit enter. And this is the different features, all features, or you can install only the HANA Studio administration or application development and modeler. So these are the different features. So we will choose option 1, that is all. Hit enter. Here this is the summary. Type Y and hit enter. Here the installation completed. The log file will be written there, and we will open HANA Studio. Yeah, it's installed SAP HANA Studio. This is the workspace. Click launch. This is the overview screen. Here you can see all the features: administration console, modular development. So we will choose administration console. Add system, and here host name of the database or IP address. And instance number 00, and choose multiple container and choose system database. Next, here you have to add the credentials, username, system, and its password. Click finish. Database is added in the HANA Studio. That's it, guys. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe to Naina Tech. Thank you for watching Naina Tech.